In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to manage your leads with Apollo.io, the ultimate platform for lead generation, outreach, and tracking. Whether you're new to the software or looking for a more efficient way to handle your leads, stay tuned until the end, because I've got some exclusive bonuses for you that you won't want to miss. Apollo.io is designed to simplify and optimize lead management, making it easier to find, track, and convert potential clients. It's an all-in-one solution for businesses of all sizes, especially for those focused on scaling their sales efforts. Right off the bat, you can get started for free with an extended trial if you use the first link below. Now, let's dive into how you can manage your leads effectively on Apollo. When you first log in, you'll notice the intuitive dashboard. This is your hub, where everything from lead data to outreach activities is organized. The powerful search functionality allows you to filter through a massive database of contacts based on specific criteria. You can find potential leads by company size, industry, revenue, and even job titles. This saves you hours that would otherwise be spent manually sourcing leads. Once you've set up your filters and identified potential leads, the next step is to organize and track them in Apollo's lead management section. You can easily import and export your leads into lists. This makes it simple to group your contacts based on their behavior or how close they are to a sale, so you can tailor your outreach efforts accordingly. Apollo.io automatically syncs with your CRM, ensuring your lead lists are always up to date and never out of sync. Now, one of the most powerful features Apollo offers is its outreach automation. With Apollo.io, you can set up personalized email sequences to engage your leads. It's not just about sending a bunch of emails. The software helps you craft tailored messages for each stage of your sales pipeline. You can set up multiple sequences for different lead types, so your outreach is always on point. You can also track the performance of your outreach campaigns in real time. Apollo provides detailed analytics, so you'll know which emails are getting opened, which ones are being ignored, and what kind of responses you're receiving. This lets you optimize your campaigns and see what's working in real time. Another feature that can seriously boost your lead management strategy is the integration with other tools. Whether you use Salesforce, HubSpot, or another CRM, Apollo.io seamlessly integrates to ensure you're never juggling multiple platforms. Everything from lead capture to follow-ups happens in one place, making your workflow smooth and organized. If you're managing multiple teams, Apollo.io allows you to collaborate effectively. You can assign leads to different team members, ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. This feature is perfect for teams that need to keep everyone on the same page without constantly updating spreadsheets or relying on emails. One more feature you might not know about is Apollo's lead scoring system. This tool helps you prioritize your leads based on their likelihood to convert. By tracking behavior like email opens and engagement with your outreach, Apollo assigns scores to each lead, allowing you to focus your time and energy on the ones that matter most. So, whether you're just starting out with Apollo or looking to refine your process, this tool gives you everything you need to not just manage your leads but turn them into conversions. And don't forget, you can use Apollo.io completely free from the first link below with our exclusive bonus, including an extended trial. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how Apollo.io can make managing your leads simple and effective. Take advantage of all the powerful features that help you automate, organize, and optimize your outreach. Trust me, once you start using Apollo, you won't want to go back.